Channel 3 early warning weather.
No, the last time we had temperatures this warm was 8 months ago on, September 10th of last year when it was 83 degrees. It was 83 degrees at Windsor Locks today, at least 83 degrees. 82 in Hartford, also in Meriden, and low 80s in Willimantic, Chester, Norwich, and even Danbury got up to 82 this afternoon. All right, if you're going to the Yard Goats game this evening at Dunkin' Donuts Park, it's going to still be near 80, 79 for the first pitch at 7:05, and for the ninth inning, 68 degrees. So you can leave the jacket at home this evening. It's going to be nice and warm and comfortable. What is not comfortable, of course, the allergies. We still have high levels of tree pollen. As far as mold spores go, they're moderate the way it's been lately. And a beautiful sky over Torrington right now. A mix of clouds and sunshine. Some puffy fair weather clouds with the blue skies, a nice backdrop there. And there's our iCam in Old Saybrook. Always nice there, especially with that breeze off the water, which is keeping temperatures a little bit more comfortable. We're in the 70s along the coastline right now, but temperatures are in the upper 70s and low 80s over interior portions of the state. 80 in Willimantic, 78 degrees in Waterbury, and we have a northwest wind over interior portions of Connecticut. Nice breeze out there, but you get over to the shoreline and the wind has bent around to the southwest. In fact, it's fairly strong in Groton, where the average wind speed is 18 miles an hour. So there is a chance for a few showers over eastern sections of southern New England. These isolated showers in northern New England, they are going to fizzle long before they ever make it into Connecticut. So a partly cloudy sky this evening will become clear or mainly clear overnight. And tomorrow, a mostly sunny day, even warmer than today. Today we made it up to 83. Tomorrow we're going for 87. So Wednesday, a nice day overall. And then as we go into Thursday, a little bit more in the way of cloud cover. And we think because of the clouds and slightly cooler air, we think that tomorrow will likely be the warmest day of the next 7 days. Temperatures on Thursday and Friday slightly cooler than tomorrow. All right, so lows tonight will be in the 50s, which is quite nice. And highs tomorrow, there it is, 85, 86, 87. Perhaps the only place that will stay in the 70s is New London with a bit of an onshore breeze developing. All right, here's your 7-day forecast. We're going for 85 Thursday and Friday. Friday, there's a chance for a shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon and a better chance at some point over the weekend. We're not exactly sure if Saturday will bring the greatest risk for showers or thunder or Sunday. But temperatures will continue to be warm, upper 70s and low 80s over the weekend, and then some dry, refreshing weather coming our way for early next week. The shoreline tomorrow, it's going to be pretty warm as well with a high of 81.